Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In my last video on AnswerThis.io, I have explained you how can you utilize AnswerThis.io for writing your literature reviews just in minutes. But the benefits of AnswerThis.io is not just limited to writing literature reviews, but it has many other features as well. To explore other features of AnswerThis.io, let's just click this Tools option. And here you can see some topics from this week. First one is AI essay writer, which you can use to write research based essays. Then second one is a research gap finder, which is obviously the focus of this video. Next we have AI paraphraser tool. Whenever we are getting any idea from any specific document or research article, we not only need to write the relevant citation, but we also need to write that idea in our own words. So here this AI paraphraser tool can be helpful. Finally, we have humanizer. If you want to give some sort of human written touch to your writing, then you can use this humanizer. Without taking any more time, let's move on to our main topic of discussion, how to find out research gap using AnswerThis.io. So let's just click this research gap finder. This is the research gap finder tool of AnswerThis.io. In fact, finding a research gap is most challenging step in any research process, whether you are intended to write a research article or even if you are working on your master or PhD thesis. The most difficult and challenging step is finding the research gap. In the process of finding research gap, first you should narrow down your topic. Let's say if you are pursuing your degree or writing an article related to management sciences, you should specify whether it is related to marketing, HRM, or finance. Let's say if you have selected HRM, then you should further narrow it down on which specific topic you want to research. Let's say it could be training and development, performance management, compensation and benefit, or so on. If you have chosen training and development, then I would recommend you should read a relevant book so that you can have an idea about key concepts related to training and development. On Research Gap Finder, you can see here are some instructions to get best results. First of all, be specific in your research area. For instance, effects of microplastic on marine ecosystem. So instead of just marine biology. So rather than writing the subject, you should specify the topic. The second one is you should include relevant keywords. Then mention your specific methodologies or approaches. Specifically, if you are interested to find out the methodological gap, then you should mention the methodologies as well. Finally, if you are interested to find out some interdisciplinary research gap, then you should mention both fields. For example, intersection of machine learning and cognitive psychology. So this is what you need to write along with your topic. Considering the instructions, let me write my topic. Effects of ethical leadership on effective commitment, and then search. Answer this took around 1 minute to think and brainstorm around our topic, and then it has provided us some relevant research gaps. First of all, you can see the direct positive impacts, then mediators and mechanisms. The effect of ethical leadership on effective commitment is often mediated by factors such as perceived organizational support, leader-member exchange. So these are the exemplary research gap if we are specifically interested in mechanisms through which these two variables connect to each other: ethical leadership and effective commitment. In mediators and mechanisms, it has provided another direction. Effective commitment also plays a mediating role between ethical leadership and other positive outcomes like organizational citizenship behavior, reduced deviant behavior, and willingness to report unethical actions. See, AnswerThis.io not only has provided us the research gaps, but it has also provided us the relevant citations. So we can go through all these articles. Here are the further details. If the PDF is available, you can ask further questions by using this chat option. Then it has provided us the research gap related to boundary conditions and moderators. As expert of social sciences, I can understand the significance of mediators and moderators, especially when you are considering high impact factor journals for publication. So in fact, answer this do not provide you generic advice, rather than it understand the context and tell you the gaps that really matters. So here you can see then, and there are some additional findings. It has also tell us about the sector context and cross-cultural insight, then downstream impacts, and finally the practical recommendation. Finally, it has provided us the summary table. You can see the different search gaps and as well as key findings, and finally you can see the relevant citations. In the end, it has provided us the detailed references along with their DOI numbers. This information you can utilize as a starting point to finalize your research gap for your thesis or research article. You should further dig out around the provided information, and only then you should finalize your research gap for your research article or thesis. This is how Answer This can help you to find out the research gap for your research. By the way, if you are interested to see how Answer This can help you to find out the relevant literature, I will provide the link of my that video in which I have explained how to utilize Answer This for writing literature review. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.